Get ready to learn a few things. Check out these cool tips so you can edit like a pro. How cute is this donut graphic? We're going to rotate it. To do this, click the image and hold the Shift key, and with the top handle, start rotating. You can see it will move every 15 degrees. If you want to straighten it, right-click and the line will move to the nearest 45-degree angle. Let's play around with the dimensions of this circle graphic. To make it wider or narrower, drag the side handles. Use the top or the bottom handles to make it taller or shorter. You can achieve the same thing with the corner handles and hold the Shift key. To return to the original shape, right-click and select Original Aspect Ratio. A quick tip: to duplicate an image, hit Command D on your keyboard. You can also right-click and click Duplicate. When you need to select multiple objects, there are a few ways you can do it. One way is to hold the Shift key and click each object you want to select on your canvas. If you need to select all of your layers, hit Command A on your keyboard. You can also work with your layers palette. Hold the Shift key and pick the first and last layer you want to work with. Now, everything in between is selected. When you only want certain layers, hold the Command key and click the layers you want to be selected. Finally, you can also group layers. To do this, select Layers, right-click and select Group. Now they're all one layer. This is great when you want to add the same effect or texture. Special effects have never been easier to apply. Let's select all the leaf graphics. Now they're all selected, apply a texture. Let's go with gold foil. What's awesome is you can replace an image by going to your graphics palette. As you can see, the new image has the same effect. To remove any edits, click Revert on your graphics palette. In PicMonkey, getting a clean look with your text is super simple. That's because text and graphics align with each other rather than the bounding box. When you have your grids and alignments turned on, hold down the Control key and you can move the layer freely. Finally, to make sure all your designs work with your brown colours, bring in your colour palette. To do this, go to Graphics, upload your palette and bring it onto your canvas. Use the eyedropper tool to match objects with your brown colours. When you're ready to export, simply delete your palette. Now you have the tips, go ahead and start creating some awesome designs.